Hey guys, in this video we are taking our first look at algebraic fractions. So in this we are looking in particular at adding and subtracting them. In the next video we're going to be looking at simplifying, and then I'm going to do a third video with example questions where we put everything together. So if you're a GCSE and you're watching this, there's nothing really here that you shouldn't be able to do. So it's relevant to you too. Okay, let's get cracking. So, before we get the algebra involved, let's just have a little recap on adding and subtracting normal fractions. So, when we have common denominators, so say here we want to do 2/7, add 3/7. We've got the same denominator, there's no problem here. We just simply add the tops together. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and then the bottom is still just 7. So you never add or subtract the denominators. If they are equal, then you do absolutely nothing with them. If they aren't equal though, we do run into a bit of a problem. So 1/2 add 1/3 is not equal to 2/5, as I see happen a lot of the time. So now you can go down the common denominator route, where you make the denominators both the same. We're not going to be thinking about that method now that we're at A level. We're going to be using the cross multiplication method, which I often touted as the upside down picnic table. So what's going on here? Well, what we do the bottom of the second fraction times the top of the first. So 3 times 1. And we got the addition, so we stick that next. Then the bottom of the first fraction times the top of the second. So 2 times 1. And then it's all over the two denominators multiplied together. So 2 times 3. So really here we are doing common denominators. We're just doing everything in one go. So 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2. So up on top we've got 5, and then on the bottom 2 times 3 is 6. So we get 5, 6. Now we can do exactly the same thing. Say if we have a subtraction, let's do an example. Let's say we want to do 5, 6 minus 1/4. So again, we're using cross multiplication. So we do the bottom of the second times the top of the first, 4 times 5. It's very important that you do it in this order when you have a subtraction. Doesn't matter so much when you're adding, but it does when you're subtracting, so you might as well always do it this way. So then we got our minus sign. Bottom of the first times top of the second, 6 times 1. And then the two denominators multiplied together, 6 times 4. Okay, so what we got? 4 times 5 is 20, minus 6, so we've got 14 on top, 6 times 4 on the bottom, 24, which simplifies to 7 twelfths. Job again. If you've never seen this method before, or you want more examples, I'm going to put a link to my video on adding and subtracting fractions using this method down below in the comment section. Okay, let's get algebra involved. Okay, first up then we are looking at adding or subtracting a over b plus or minus c over d. So, this is a fully algebraic guide. We're going to use cross multiplication. So, bottom of the second multiplies top of the first. So we're going to get a times d. Then we get whichever sign. So here we've got plus or minus. Bottom of the first times top of the second. So b, c, and then it's all over. The two bottoms multiplied together. So b times d, like that. Jobs are given. Okay, next up, what about if we have a chain? So a over b plus c over d minus x over y. So, do we want to do all of this in one go? No. In true maths fashion, we want to break it down into manageable chunks and do it step by step. So, first of all, we'll do a over b plus c over d. Now, we've just seen that is AD plus BC over BD. So we've got that minus X over Y. So just take your time, go nice and slowly. So again, we are using cross multiplication. Now this is going to get so much easier for you once you've done a few and you've had a lot of practice. You probably won't even need to write anything down. You'll be able to do it in your head. But while we're learning it, it's important to go through it nice, slowly, clearly, step by step. So, we are doing then y, lots of AD plus BC. So the bottom of the second times top of the first, and minus bottom of the first times top of the second. So we're going to get B, D, X, and then it's all over. The two denominators multiplied together, so B, BDY. Like that. Now we could expand that bracket at the start, but we don't really need to. All that we're doing here is getting used to adding and subtracting these fractions. Okay, jobs are good for that one. Okay, last one for this video. So, x over x plus 1 minus x over 2. So, I don't want to do that. Okay. So, let's get our picnic table in. Okay, so we're doing 2 times x. So we got 2 x. Then we've got minus x plus 1 times x, which I'm instead going to write as x times x plus 1. And then that's all over 2 lots of x plus 1. So again, we could simplify that, but for this video I'm not going to worry about that. All that I'm worried about is combining fractions and writing them as a single one. So, jobs are good for that. Okay, so in the next video we're going to be looking at simplifying algebraic fractions, and then after that we're going to do a video where we have lots of questions to have a go at. Okay, take care guys.